We are already reaping some of the benefits of collaborative approaches in innovating with the adoption of technology and digital solutions in government services. That has been a remarkable improvement in transparency, service delivery, and revenue collections. Just through this process of digitalization alone, you would not believe that we have, to a large extent, sealed the revenue leakages in government. Correspondingly, we have managed to enhance the amount of revenue collection from around 60 million shillings per day to, in certain instances, 900 to 1 billion shillings per day. If the government can do it, the private sector can do it, because we have got a better working culture, a more enabling culture, a culture that is palatable to digitalization. You can do it better to enhance your performance. If we are already doing it, we have to embrace technology, but in that very midst of embracing technology, we must put in place an elaborate risk mitigation framework to ward off the threats. One of those, of course, the issue of cyber insecurity. Let me assure you that as government, we are alive to this fact. And as we pursue our digitalization agenda, we are also correspondingly ensuring that we have got an elaborate risk mitigation framework around everything that we are doing, so that we don't unnecessarily expose ourselves. Members of Parliament are giving us the facility, the infrastructure where we are going to deploy the devices, courtesy of the CDF. Our role now is to deploy the devices, facilitate internet connectivity, do the training for our youth for free, and also connect the youth to digital jobs. This just shows you how important it is to work together.